Every jar of blueberry jam begins here, where fruit meets soil and time.
Only perfectly ripened blueberries earn their place in jam.
Modern harvesting balances speed with care. Even in the field, sorting begins. Human judgment refines what machines begin.
Quality is confirmed before the journey begins.
Temperature control protects flavor.
Cooling preserves nature's sweetness.
Protection continues beyond the field. Traceability is built into every harvest.
The journey to transformation begins.
Every movement protects the fruit.
Stability ensures consistency. From field to factory, the process flows.
Next, the blueberries enter the world of industry.
The journey of blueberries continues from field to factory.
Speed meets care as fruit travels to transformation.
Every journey ends where precision begins.
Controlled entry ensures security and quality. The path from orchard to factory is carefully managed.
Timing and coordination maintain freshness.
Each crate is handled with care.
Every crate tells the story of the orchard.
Traceability begins the moment fruit enters the facility. Temperature control is critical for blueberry jam quality.
Chilling preserves freshness until processing.
Orderly storage ensures a seamless workflow.
Every detail counts in preserving fruit integrity.
Documentation safeguards every batch.
With the fruit secured, the next stage awaits inside the factory.
Here, the blueberries enter a world of precision and technology. Controlled access ensures quality from the start. Coordination and timing orchestrate every movement. Every delivery finds its place seamlessly.
Verification protects both quality and safety. Lifting and positioning must be exact to maintain quality. The factory interior prepares to transform fruit into jam.
Organization ensures a seamless handoff to processing. Even before processing, cleaning guarantees purity. Every drop of water counts in preserving natural flavor. The blueberries are now ready to meet the heart of the factory.
Mechanical separation ensures only quality fruit moves forward. Human hands refine what machines begin. Technology identifies imperfections invisible to the eye. Every berry is evaluated for color, size, and integrity. Rejection is part of quality control. Precision continues as berries are prepared for batching.
Accurate measurement ensures recipe consistency.
Human oversight guarantees precision. Berries wait in readiness before entering transformation. Orderly flow ensures gentle handling. The factory interior now guides fruit toward transformation.
Automation begins to take over, bridging storage and preparation.
Pulping begins the magical process of turning fruit into jam. Every drop of fruit moves precisely toward its destiny. Every drop of fruit moves precisely toward its destiny. Continuous monitoring preserves both quality and texture.
Now the blueberries are ready to meet heat, beginning the transformation into jam.
Transcription. Heat begins the transformation, softening the blueberries while preserving flavor.
Every bubble marks the start of jam's rich texture.
Human oversight ensures precise cooking for ideal flavor. From pre-cooking, blueberries enter the heart of the jam-making process. Continuous stirring ensures smoothness and prevents scorching. Sugar blends with fruit, creating the foundation of jam.
Consistency is key to the perfect blueberry jam.
Skimming ensures clarity and preserves rich color.
Pectin prepares the jam to set perfectly. Each batch is tasted and measured before final cooking.
Steam jackets evenly heat the pulp, preventing scorching.
Intermediate tanks maintain temperature and texture before final cooking. Agitation preserves smoothness and prevents settling.
The jam reaches its final viscosity in the core cooking stage.
The transformation is complete, turning fruit into rich, glossy jam. Every batch meets taste and texture standards before moving forward.
Pumping ensures a smooth and continuous flow to the next stage.
Cooling prepares the jam for the precision and finishing lines ahead. Controlled cooling locks in color, texture, and flavor. Precision ensures every batch emerges perfect.
The jam is now ready for controlled filling.
Each jar receives the exact measure of rich, flavorful jam. Human oversight guarantees consistency across every batch.
Sealed jars lock in freshness and flavor.
Every jar is branded and traced for quality assurance.
Inspection guarantees every jar meets visual and regulatory standards.
Organization ensures efficiency in storage and dispatch.
Each pallet represents hours of careful processing.
Protection continues beyond the jars themselves.
Careful handling preserves quality until dispatch.
Organization within the warehouse ensures smooth logistics.
Digital tracking maintains traceability for every batch.
Automation bridges production and delivery seamlessly. The transformation is complete, from fruit to finished product, ready for precision handling. High-tech automation ensures each pallet is tracked and prepared with precision.
Every pallet is digitally monitored before entering the automated system.
Precision robotics organize pallets for optimal workflow.
Complex systems coordinate movement seamlessly.
Verification ensures accuracy in every shipment.
Automation and careful handling streamline loading.
Pallets are securely loaded, ready for delivery. The warehouse hums with organized precision, preparing for transport.
Excess inventory remains perfectly organized and protected.
Sealed and secure, the jam begins its journey to the market. Careful transport maintains the quality of every jar.
A modern blueberry jam factory combines technology, precision, and care in every jar.
Every jar tells the story of dedication, quality, and craftsmanship.